watching this video, then it's probably because you want to learn how to make PayPal money in the fastest and easiest way possible. If I'm correct, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly just that. Look at all of these payments that I've received right away into my PayPal account. $100, $200, $150, $360, and $404. I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn this much PayPal money. This method is perfect for beginners like us. It will only take 20 minutes of your day, and you don't need any skills or experience to be able to do this. The thing that I love most about today's method is that it pays you within 24 hours straight into your PayPal account, which means after 24 hours, your payment should arrive and you can cash it out from PayPal ASAP. It's very fast and efficient, plus it's 100% free. And you know that on this channel, I am all about the easy breezy ways to earn money, so it's always a pleasure to bring all of the goodness straight to you. This method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you come from. Go ahead and join in on today's method. So the earning potential in today's method is if you complete a 5-minute task, you get paid $25. And when you do a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can get paid $300. Isn't that insane? I'm going to be walking you through the whole process step by step, so make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. To start the process, I want you to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in validately.com. And as soon as you hit enter on that, this is what should come out. As you can see, it's actually different that comes out because this is UserZoom, but it's just the same thing. So as soon as you see this, don't worry, you're on the right track. Setting that aside, we want to discuss PayPal really quickly. Now look at this right here. We get you're coming from. We are available in more than 200 countries, regions, and support 25 currencies. Send and receive payments easily over borders and language barriers. We're here for you wherever you are. And then look at all of the countries that they cater to. So we're 100% sure that you can access PayPal. And so if you don't have a PayPal account yet, make sure that you complete that before anything else so that you can start making money from our website today. To the newcomers, where y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. So let's continue. Now, if you look over here, this website is 100% legit because they've already partnered up with very big names in the industry. There's Google, eBay, Facebook, Amazon, and many more from this list. Now, to start earning, it's very difficult to find the sign-up section wherein you can sign up on this website. So we will just give you the link right away so that you won't have to get lost or confused, and that's exactly why I always emphasize to watch the whole video before doing anything on your own, because most of the time that's the reason why some people aren't successful with the methods that I share. Anyway, just type in panel.validately.com/sign up. Then this is what you should see next. So go ahead and click on create an account, and as soon as you click on that, they will be asking you a series of questions, 16 to be exact. And it's basically just asking for your information that you will need in order to sign up, and once you've successfully completed or answered all of those questions, then that you will need to go through in order to be able to be accepted. So just click on take the screener test now, but only if you've read all of this, because it's best that you understand first and know what you're planning to start. So read through, and if it's all good, just click on the take the screener test now, and then you'll be brought to this page. Make money testing websites from your home. We are recruiting people to test websites from their home or office. If you are selected to join our panel, you will get emails about tests that you can take. To be applicable, you need to take this quick screening test. It will only take 1 minute. Leave your real email below so that we can contact you for future tests. Only use Chrome. Do not use Firefox or Internet Explorer. And then once you're all good with that, just click on I will test websites for money, and then you're going to see this page. If we haven't mentioned it yet, today's method can be easily done on your phones. So if you do not have a desktop computer or even a laptop, you can still earn through your phones. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know that you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Now on this page, it says to select the circle to open the instructions and hide it. So that's all you need to click to do that. Then just click on next, so that's what's going to happen. Now you're ready to begin the test, so click on OK. I'm ready to begin the test. Once you click on that to begin, please install the Validately extension. Now this extension install is needed to record on your screen. So you're just going to click on the white button here, and then it will lead you straight to the extension link, so you can easily just click on add to Chrome to add that to your browser to officially begin the testing. Once you've added that to your browser and you've done the test, you were accepted, you will get a job like this. So for example, on the Amazon website, your job will be to visit the website as your first step. And there's a given link, so you can click on that or copy paste it. And then you're going to have to take a screenshot of the homepage of the Amazon website. And then they want you to locate today's deal on Amazon. And then take a screenshot of that as well. And lastly, they might ask you to search something specific, but for this example, you're asked to search for Scott's Standard Bath Tissue, and then take a screenshot of that as well, and boom, that's all you need to do for this sample task. This would be how most of your tasks would go on Validately. It's literally so easy and quick, and you can do more than one task just like this and earn so much more in a day if you can complete more than one task. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love, and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.